Let me just say something about the demise of the late Armida Siguion-Reyna. The entertainment world has lost one of its pillars, and the palace expresses its condolences to the family, friends, and colleagues of the former Movie and Television Review Classification Board Chairperson, Armida Siguion-Reyna. Our condolences also go to the Enriles. She happens to be the sister of former Senator Juan Ponce Enrile. The Philippines, particularly the music, television, and film, had been immense in terms of the contribution of the late Armida Siguion-Reyna. I remember, like many others of my generation and the succeeding ones, we grew up, as well as they, watching the television program Aawitan Kita, which she hosted and produced on television for more than 30 years. In fact, that particular show popularized Kundiman songs, which lately has been aired on radio. Songs like Anak Dalita and Dahil Sa'yo. Now, if you look at his biography, specifically the biographical book entitled Fear, and if you have witnessed how this woman faced her detractors as well as her critics, immediately you will know that this woman is, or was, one was, or who had an independent mind of her own, and a principled citizen of that. And she has demonstrated this kind of character all throughout her career, specifically when she was chairman of the MTRCB, where she defended artistic liberties in cinema. Her voice, whether singing kundimans or advocating free expression, will be missed by many of us. So we pray for the eternal repose of her soul, and may perpetual light shine upon her. I'm ready for any question on any matter that you would choose to deal on.